Evolution for aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. That is it. Now, I call Dormaahene asemswe. Evolution Bible can say, when a man's ways please the Lord, he makes even his enemies to be at peace with him. That is what Bible says. So when a man's ways please the Lord Most High, he makes even his enemies, even people who don't like his matter, to be at peace with him. John Mama is Excellency oko national to. Yes sir. Oko pie o eye Doma. Now on him say Doma die, after all, my sorty omo out. Sorty omo out yes saying, oh, I've elevated one of their own from a high court to court of appeal. Oh yeah, Ohini Aotiwo. And when he went there with full chest, he went there so bold, he went there all passionate, knowing say, you'll be clapped for. But you know something, when you are a chief, sometimes you can be sorted out too. But a common idea with youth now. Hit our youth, but too so no. You cry, you not be tempted to do any propaganda with a Juma. You understand? Auntie, he didn't say Debbie, Mahama is Excellency here. Nyaman ko yi kra, nyaman ko yi. A common idea. Ewo Dormaahene enye easy. Youth ni nyina Juma bia ni ho. Wu Dormaahene promise yes of the 24-hour economy beba. Wan famba. Na Akufo-Addo ana mi ohini no na mi dwi sa Akufo-Addo nye. Akufo-Addo ye nipa bonini, Akufo-Addo ye Nebukadnezar. Sa Akufo-Addo no. O start say o see na o see a hospital bi maye. And that general one, Dormaahene is Excellency. Sa hospital now it was nearly completed. And wow, that place almost like a forest. Dormaahene no. Again, Dormaahene said, say, Akufo-Addo ba ye de, Dorma krom hon de, waya de, asphalt. Asphalt be brave, asphalt wo krom ni nyina, Akufo-Addo na ye. And all those praises, you know, he was praising Akufo-Addo in front of John Dramani Mahama. That is why I said that when a man's ways please the Lord, he will make even his enemies to be at peace with him. Again, Dormaahene ka say, Nukrenya miyenim ni say, eba no 1 district 153 there. Or no, bet me testify say, ni Hong Kong ye Doma Hong Kong there, or menya 2 factories. You see? Yo. May Osenyo akwa babia bokode.
Oh, minya bema bia boko da twedi ampo Nyankopon ansese wamaye so ahonden ene enkwan a ye de ti ase. Wankasa wo so bia boko.
Chale, enkoye.
Oh, kwana di enkoye o twedi ampo Nyankopon na hwe yo na so ye se ye betina mamo boni we mu de ne sanka ye wu by this time.
Ayo. Yeah, 7 minutes.
Yeah, crying na esho twedi ampo Nyankopon sa. First of all, my memfa asidaka siema wankasa obo adwuma. Na the voice. Adwuma obo no. We are one of the leading voices of voter region in Ghana. I'm a diasporans when nani moseb abrantie die or so mike nema. Otimi kasa na on kasa so anya kasa keke. Anya from akeke no kan or kasa with facts. Koswana boy adwuma no. Na party mpanyimpo no I recognize we adwuma na wo ye. We wagide say emre pa no yanja mo akida. Na mankasa wo san ye menwa idea me ntina ho ema bia emfa ne nsa ewo weni e bebo odi ama abasode e wo so mo fama ono oso mo fama ono na ye konsem da ekoso so no mene wo ye nim se amampanyi John Dramani Mahama de sesi ade entro hine ne de ye di eno eche na ahye no o kase sesi ano o kan abane visit to Bono region. Menim se what say papa no koy no wakotwa ntro se Abraham the first time mobile no on my admission to level 100 students into UNE. But I can boldly and confidently tell you, say, Accra Tana what UNE honomono, ya cross checking bibia. I bet daddy said, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and Nakasa no Kano. Na ye and tro any PR na no ye. Just say, UNE, oh my.
Mayor. And then I see.
In the first term of Mahama, no, there was nothing like recruitment for first years. Sorry, Nana Corbin and Eba. There was nothing like recruitment for first years. Now, so, your man Penny says, see, you're sorry, I'm drunk one. Now, or turn no one cross check here, you will just swallow the draw like that. Now, I say, okay, I bet you and try to say, I'm recruiting for 1 million. When him say, Ghana Statistical Service, okay, Matro RTA, come Ghana Statistical Service.
Yeah.
Oma ayimano. And Ghana Statistical Service. Oma yano. Na enche coming week no mebo John Dramani Mahama mebo nechi memo bia wo so your train. And train out tell program a dross dodo. Because Ghana Statistical Service I explain ya me say o man kasa. Na statement no mo make here no. It was with reference to a Jumana ewo quarter 1 to quarter 3 of 2025. Na so ya papa ba die. Eya. Say ya ye nimu no dada. Ono na try ya say. Umpeso dada electorate I was so din truck akra fa ho. Nti de bia free say ya abato bi eda na nimbiom nti. E also koswa edin truck and can't try it. But what is alarming currently? The issue of recruitment are saying, and the Middle East war now looming up. Still, and this is for no to me who nyansen bia and bromo wanse. Omu no the dendi egusu ekasa. Show that kind of arrogance in this country. But you see, my brother, let's brace ourselves up. Me know we free, baby Fako. Yeah, let's brace up. Adia bano one near see what UK and
yeah.
Near see what UK and over 300 pounds or say dollars or and a cost for honeymoon.
Yeah.
Per barrel.
Yeah. 300 pounds.
Prices no within UK economy alone no are rising up. There's a surge.
Yeah.
It's a UK now. A yeche Ghana krana. There is a surge, you know. And the Ghana krana we are dependent. No. Mukrade, what will happen to us?
Mayor, Tuesday, teacher trainees licensure exams. And this say they have never promised to cancel licensure exam. That's what they are telling the teachers. So
now Mahama
keep quiet and go right.
Mahama Ayariga Ufana serious. Sir Branch he has never displayed any seriousness and obia onyanse bia our parliament. In fact, first time Ukrainian amemu first now Mahama Ayariga no nyandi majority. Tilito onyansa pa. I don't say he's one of the intelligence guys in parliament too. But we see who person who are boa who nimfe wa bon permission nsa ube who they were obedidi shesia na ya money position for him to exhibit the intelligence level no abededi say abrantie no nyansa ba kwa broni afra na nyansa na potoka sem afra na nyansa wisdom no and intelligence no oni ba kokra he speaks anyhow. On one manifesto, I do my power. What he made us believe in parliament by telling us they never made those promises is to tell us on one kasakra on manifesto on tiase one kind. So he was just following them like wo yo me gagantwa musomwe. That was what Mahama Yarega was doing. Enti menya bema that papa ni there. Enti na de bia minority leader chire na nyansa. Tell him bibi. As a majority leader now abedi no, you are not doing anything. Enti na de bia ye sorry na ye bompa ma Honorable Alexander Apenyu Markins and any other leadership team no, they are doing very well. Now the party leadership, so I am very convinced omu boy juma and I'm also mu boy mo juma pa mo boy juma boa party no. But Miss Ro, in the coming days, no Miss Ropa, let's brace up because it's not going to be easy. See, and then I was in Joy Prime, and this you know about he was throwing his weight about. And I'm catching say, in the month of April, I want to be on the same seat with you, and I will see whether they will tell us say, I am management and I am super incompetent and I no more display. Na sada no me show no so me de bo beko na makache na nado me kutu apato on behalf of the NDC na makache na nado say papa ya straw nyankopon di mu uboni je me da say me abema
me da say Mayor Senyo no Mayor Senyo is contesting or intends to contest for voter regional youth organizer and as many people as votarians here no, let's try as much as possible to get registered and become the next electorate and encourage him by voting for him. And thank you so much for passing through. Yo, Trump, God, good evening.
Yes, I nyankopon no bibia boko na so me.
Yes, I do.
Me pa cho want to say. Na me one question bit ebusa. Me one question bi busa. Na me pese me busa say. Jo mama kwagina ba bia. Wose Ghana sika ne ta hono. Sika ne ta ho na sika ne ta ho no. Eye de na teachers fo nya yentuo muka. Eye de na yentua ban ye fo ka railway fo yentuo muka nurses yemfo madwuma. Eye de no John Mama kogina ba bia o sika ne ta ho. Eye de me pa chom pese o kire mu kakra. Me your best yente unka best online mu twetwese because
better na
fe dey better
me say his excellency John Dormaahene Mahama and the finance minister to force omo ya trofo
because mentias here
kaya ekrom ha ya bae no ana omo ba ban mu no
right
Mahama be tatre say don't pay enaka namunasa. Now the country looks like a crime scene. Okay.
Yes.
Now okay sano and bibi Toma Adwemu say they before kronfo be hu ne yonko kronfo no age ono so officer company ni me boana
me patwai
because how can you say this country is a crime scene? That not just one kasano oya kronfo. Oh, see, a lot is happening in this country. Yet it's a castle, naso a common day.
Eddie,
what's the Sikawa Honum? Your nurses follow the animal. What's the Sikawa Honum? Our teachers for Sikano, farm way. What's the Sikawa Honum? Railway sector. Ejuma Fano, from Sikamo. You are not doing any of this. Now you can't. What's the identity now? You can't.
Oh,
you can't. What's the Mayan Kebi? Now what dear? You are the King Kong. You are the Don Papa, the liar of liars, the king of liars. Into Mayan Kasa. But you see, Papa no. I have seen that. Ono se si ano ne be bia hwefa ne ho monitor Mahama na hwa de na obi ade bia baba mu na ne nya toje ati de obi a baba mu how many months de omato 18 tons of gold ye bisa mu se hwa na omato gold na mo no omu ntimenka afesa me je fi an ne si aya ti say yi fresh Liverpool Ah, what gold board ho? Oh sorry, suita kasi not osha. See the ono na ya PRO for Bank of Ghana or defend the Bank of Ghana. Our social media. Me, I have learned to understand the sank of way. Omu a QNet government apa. Omu a trofo. But you see, we've not started anything yet. By close of this year, say all round me and Chini Papa ku antuma and the NDC. You be mo party na gu. Eyi oku de ta black one man no muti. Eyi e friend say oral committee ni so no. Omu na allowance be on my GBR in private a man can't no. They will form it those allowance. And to me, I think say medio bisa me a cash na dey bi wo ho.